We
Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are making Asian tofu stir fry. Yes, let's get into the ingredients. Thank y'all for coming. Be right back. I packed my lunch. All right, dinner is done. Please try this recipe. Thank you guys for coming. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Excuse me, my voice is gone. And as I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out.
Jill's Comfort Zone, in her home. Keep watching all her videos.